वेलकम टू माय चैनल साइंस आइकन। अगर आप इस चैनल पर नए हैं तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करें मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाएं। आज हम लैप्लेस करेक्शन के बारे में जानेंगे। लैप्लेस करेक्शन। Newton assumed that the propagation of sound in a gaseous occurred due to variation in pressure and volume in a gaseous medium under isothermal condition. Laplace pointed out that Newton's assumption is not correct. According to Laplace, change in pressure and volume or density of a gas are adiabatic during propagation of sound wave through a during pressure density in such a respect then process of comparison and reaction that there are particularly no available for heat exchange maintain constant temperature. Gas are a bad conductor of a heat produced during the comparison do not follow the origin of refraction. Hence during the propagation of sound is gas heat produced during the comparison of rays and tends to the gas of heat least during the refraction reduce the temperature. जब अब न्यूटन का एजप्शन को लैप्लेस ने करेक्ट नहीं पाया तब उसने अपना एजप्शन रखा जिसमें हीट कांस्टेंट नहीं रह सकता है। Thus, during the pressure and density of gas contained remain constant, but the temperature is not constant. Hence, this variation of adiabatic, not isothermal. तब लैप्लेस ने पाया कि प्रोपेगेशन के दौरान प्रेशर और डेंसिटी कांस्टेंट रहते हैं मगर टेम्परेचर नहीं रहते हैं। ये केवल एडियाबैटिक प्रोसेस में हो सकता है ना कि आइसोथर्मल प्रोसेस में। द आइडियल गैस ऑफ द रिएक्शन फॉर एडियाबैटिक प्रोसेस P v to the eta equals to constant n where n is the ratio of a specific heat capacity or difference we get at P by mu into eta minus 1 dt by into dv plus eta by v dp by d equals to 0 P into eta v n minus 1 dv plus v to the power eta dp equals to 0 then P n v to the power eta minus 1 dv equals to minus v eta to the power eta dp then eta p equals to minus v divided by v to the power eta minus 1 into dp by dv then eta p minus v into v to the power minus 1 and v divided by v minus 1 into dp by dv. And eta p equals to minus v dp by dv then eta p equals to k, equation number 1 where k is the bulk modulus, then v equals to under root k by d where d is the density, then eta p by density. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and please share this video.